Hi, everyone.
Today's not the day to be messing around. Come here. Oh. Come on. Hey, get back here. There he goes. He's off. Ugh. Get back here. Get back here. Oh. He put the... boy. He put the 180 tailspin on me.
The farmer came prepared. The goat came faster.
Guys, I'm defeated. Turkey, be quiet. Come here. You gotta go inside, dude.
In here. You all hanging out together. Do you want to come on outside, Archie?
Who says Friendship Day is just for humans?
That is adorable.
She may own the farm on paper, but the goat runs the place. Loading on a hill? Bad idea. This tractor has a mind of its own.
Bring it back.
If you wanted... Uh-oh.
Oh, okay. Well,
Mary, just let him go.
When a bull wants out, nothing can stop it.
Well, little Biggie has not had the best day. Seems as if Mama Rosie has accidentally shit on his head.
Today's lesson, don't mess with Mama.
Sorry, son.
Some farmers raise goats for milk. This one is training for America's Got Talent.
Excuse me, Tessie Belle.
The chair had enough for one lifetime.
You want some help? Come on.
Everything was fine until it wasn't.
Short one nose.
Houston, we've found a genius.
Do it.
Duck marking its territory. The farm doesn't offer anger management. The farmer needs to put these dogs on payroll. Seems like first day on the job.
Video? Video?
Okay.
Ouch!
The tractor understood the assignment incorrectly.
Oh, kurwa!
Can't tell if they're playing or panicking.
Squeeze him! Get him! Get him!
A few cops, one incredibly confident hog, and absolutely zero respect for the concept of law and order.
He's tired. Oh, it's a standoff. It's a standoff. It's a standoff. Get him in there. Get him, Mike. Yeah.
I really don't stick to like pushing me.
That bull didn't show up to negotiate. He came to remind everyone who is second after the lion.
Garage Gang. What have you done, Lucian? Huh? You couldn't wait, huh? And the bucket's empty. That's the really tragic part.
Not his finest hour.
You silly boy. He's like, just take it off.
Today's weather doesn't feel so good for the cow. Pigs always win against humans by any chance.
What the hell? Hey, Maisie! No, Maisie! No! No! Oh my God, Maisie, you dumb! Maisie! Maisie! For real?
Scratching is so relaxing, whether is head or balls.
You know. Hey, you crazy ass Maisie! guys, you know what? I am Maisie, you nutcase! No. Maisie, you crazy! Maisie has lost her mind.
Sometimes, I wish I had been born an animal.
Okay, you're done. You're done. Goodbye.
Bold strategy, let's see the result.
Vai mais perto, Lee, vai. Pegou, eita! Porra!
ريتا لك ريتا ماما بتدور عليكي ايتها هناك روح 10 ساعة بتدور عليكي اجري
Human baby to goat, everyone is searching mum after wake up. We are ending for today. See you tomorrow.